Hello welders. Today I'm going to show you how to pattern and shift a part using the ESAB Cobot. One of the reasons you might want to pattern a part is if you're trying to just go from one fixtured part to maybe a 2x2 array of parts on the same table. Shifting a part is in case you need to move your original part to a different location on the table. Let's get into the process. So in my app, in the parts library, I'm selecting the part that I want to shift or pattern. And then I'm clicking edit this part. In the top right corner, there is a symbol that's like 2 check marks. We're going to click that. And then I'm going to click the points that I want to pattern, and that in this case is the linear welds. So then once I do that, I'm going to click shift. Now it's going to ask me for a new origin for my original points. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to press and hold my green free drive button. I'm going to bring that down here. And I'm getting my new origin right here. And then I'm clicking the blue teach button. And then in the app, it's going to ask me to apply. And then I'm going to choose my application, which in this case, I just want to pattern the points. So it's asking me for now a new air move to get from this original part to the next part. So I'm just going to take this, pressing and holding my green free drive button, and then clicking the blue teach button. And now I have a pattern from here to here, and I can click done and close in my app. And as you can see now, the original part has been patterned, and I can bring this home and we'll watch our pattern program. So as you can see, moving to my original program. Using that air move to get to the next part. And then coming back home. And that's really all there is to it when it comes to patterning a part. Let's go ahead and try shifting a part now. Alright, so say for whatever reason I had to move my part from its original location on the table to a new destination, right? I can use the shift function to move all the points from the original part to the new destination on the table, and we're going to do that right now. So I'm already in the teach menu. I'm going to select that double check mark symbol in the top right corner, and then I'm going to select all my points because I want to just move the whole process to a different part on the table. This may require you to touch up some air moves and things because the arm is going to move to the same spots on the table. So it might require some touching up, but we're going to see how this turns out. So I've selected my points. I'm going to click shift. I'm going to select my new origin. I'm bringing my arm to my new origin. And then I'm clicking the blue teach button. And then I'm going to click apply. And this time I'm just going to shift my points. So now I can close that out. We can bring our arm back home. And now we can play, and we'll see that our points have moved from this piece of real estate on the table here to its new destination. In this case, we didn't have to change our air move. And boom, it's in its new spot. Voila, very, very easy and simple. All right, well that is how to pattern and shift points using the ESAB Cobot. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, keep it simple, Cobot. Have a great day.